Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to verify information, avoid misinformation and confirm facts quickly using Perplexity, AI is a powerful way to cross-check claims with real sources. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use Perplexity AI for fact-checking effectively. First thing first, open Perplexity AI, so go to perplexity.com or open the mobile app, start a new search, okay, and be ready to begin. Okay, now use web mode for fact checking. Okay, so select web mode focus, or web focus mode. This pulls real-time data, news, resources, verified websites, so it's best starting point. Okay, ask a clear fact-checking question. For example, is this claim true? Okay, and then write the statements that you want to make sure about. Or did this event really happen? Or for example, verify this information with sources. Okay, so you have to be specific because precision matters. Okay, review the answer carefully after that, so you will get explanation, supporting or opposing evidence. Okay, so look for clear reasoning and balanced view. Okay, don't just skim. Okay, check sources and citations, so click links provided, references. Okay, try to focus on news websites, official sources, trusted platforms. Okay, because source quality equals truth quality. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.